This drink has over 500 calories, and you'd need to run for nearly an hour just to burn it off. That's right, 60 minutes of hard work for one sugary drink. So if your strategy is simply exercise more, you're already losing. Because you can't outrun a bad diet. But there's a smarter way. Instead of exhausting cardio, you can use 3 simple walking techniques to help your body burn fat more effectively. And the first one is surprisingly easy. Every time you eat, your insulin levels rise. That tells your body to store energy instead of burning fat. So even if you worked out earlier that day, your body shifts into storage mode after meals. But here's the trick. If you walk for just 10 minutes after each meal, you can help stop insulin from spiking too high. After breakfast, after lunch, after dinner, that's only 30 minutes total, around 3,000 extra steps a day. And there's another bonus. If you walk after weight training, your body burns fat even faster because your quick energy stores are already low. Your body immediately starts using stored fat as fuel. This simple habit can change your body more than most complicated fitness plans. Now here's the second secret. Your body runs on 2 fuel systems. The first is sugar, fast energy used for intense exercise like sprinting or heavy lifting. The second is fat, slower, steadier fuel used during low-intensity movement. The harder you train, the more your body relies on sugar instead of fat. That's why intense cardio often makes people extremely hungry. You finish running, then reward yourself with snacks that contain more calories than you burned. But walking is different. When your pace is moderate, fast enough to slightly challenge you, but slow enough to still hold a conversation, your body enters the fat-burning zone. Not too easy, not too intense. That's where real fat burning happens. Your goal is simple: 7,000 to 10,000 steps every day. And if you want even better results, try wearing a weighted backpack. Adding 10 to 20 pounds increases calorie burn with every step. Now the third trick is powerful. Walking on an incline. Flat ground is fine, but walking uphill changes everything. Even a small incline can dramatically increase calorie burn. At a 10% incline, your body can burn nearly double the calories compared to flat walking. A simple setup works great. 12% incline, 3 miles per hour, 30 minutes. That's it. But don't make this mistake. Don't hold onto the treadmill rails. The moment you lean back and grab the handles, you reduce the workout intensity. Let your arms move naturally. And if 12% feels too hard, lower it to 8%. Consistency matters more than perfection. Here's a simple 12-week plan. Weeks 1 to 4. Build the habits. Don't chase 10,000 steps immediately. Weeks 5 to 8. Aim for at least 8,000 steps daily. Add incline walking 2 times a week. Weeks 9 to 12. Reach 10,000 steps a day. Continue incline sessions consistently. At this stage, people will start asking what you did to transform your body. And the answer is simple. You walked more. You stayed consistent. And you created a small calorie deficit. No magic. No extreme suffering. Just smart movement your body can actually sustain. Because the real shortcut to fat loss is sticking to simple habits long enough for them to work.